In Microsoft Excel, we can easily add the checkbox. In this video, we will see how we can add the checkbox. Here we are seeing a Excel sheet. Basically here there is a list of fruit name like apple, apricot, avocado and so on. So we want to put a checkbox here just to create a checklist type of thing. So how can you do that? So at first we need to right click, and then we need to right click by clicking any top of the menu like view or review. Right click and then you'll find this type of menu. We have to choose customize the ribbon. Once you click the customize the ribbon, then this type of window will be appeared, and from here we have to find on the right side the developer. So right now the developer is not checked. We need to just click here and then it will be checked, and then we can click OK button and you will see the developer type of menu will be appeared in the tab. So we just need to click here. Once we click the developer, then we'll find couple of options are there. Now where we want to do the checkbox, suppose we want to put a checkbox beside apple, we want to do like this type of checkbox, all of other options also, I mean all of the other food name also, but at first we need to put a checkbox here. So I'm going to select here. Once we select there, in the top ribbon, basically under developer, we'll find different types of options. We have to go to the insert section. If we click insert, then it will be inserted, and there are a couple of options are there. So our goal is to put the checkbox. So here we are seeing the checkbox is there. We just need to click here and the checkbox will be appeared here. Once we drag and drop or click here, I just clicked here and the checkbox is there. So right now beside the checkbox there is couple of text or like couple of words are there. If we want to remove this, we can double click and then we can remove everything. Or if we want to modify something, then we can type something like we want to keep it like hello, for example. Any text is fine. Okay, but I'm not interested to keep any text, so I'm going to delete all of the text. I just want to put the checkbox, and once it is done, basically what you want to do, you have to select and then you have to click outside. Now the checkbox is there. Now we are seeing the checkbox is not aligned properly. How we can align the checkbox? To do this thing, basically we have to hold Ctrl key and then we have to click the checkbox. Then this type of like select type of thing will be appeared, and now we can drag and drop where you want to keep the put the checkbox. So I'm organizing the checkbox at the middle of the cell, and actually we can decrease the size because we don't need that much size. Okay, and then finally we can do this thing. And here we are seeing if we click or uncheck, like if we click here then it will be checked, and again if we click here it will be unchecked. So in this way we can easily add the checkbox. Now we need to add the checkbox of this cells also. It is very easy, and see we can copy this thing and then paste it. There is another shortcut. We just need to select here and then we can drag this thing till the end of the list and the checkbox will be copied. Now our checkbox is finally added to each of the item. And finally, if we want to check anything, we can just click here and it will be checked, and if we click here again it will be unchecked. So that's it. In this way we can easily add the checkbox for our own need. Thank you for watching the video.